What's up, my babies? I'm back with another video, and as you guys can tell by the title of the video, it will be a Shein haul today. And if you guys want to stay and see what I got from Shein, then just keep on watching this video. Also, if you're new here, my name is Lucinda, and I do fashion haul, beauty haul, lifestyle things. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, also subscribe to my channel. The stuff that I got from Shein is about $400 worth, so I'm just gonna be unboxing with you guys and trying out things that I bought. And also I got some shoes from a different website to go with the outfits I got from Shein, so we're gonna see how that looks. And yeah, so we just gonna jump straight to the box. Oh my god, this box is huge. Look, oh my god. Okay, so y'all know I start off with my accessories first, so I'm just gonna show y'all the little bit of accessories that I got. I got this cute anklet. It got like diamonds on it, or fake diamonds, whatever you want to call it. This cute heart anklet, so cute. A belly button ring, pink, and another belly button ring, like bluish crystal. Then I got this bracelet, and it looked totally different online, so I don't know how that's gonna look, but yeah, got that. The accessory I got is this cute hat that says California on it. I love this hat already. It's so cute. Look at it. Are these shoes, which I feel like I'm gonna be able to wear. I'm gonna be able to fit. These, I don't know. These, I don't know. And these, I don't know, because they all like look humongous. I mean, it says a 7.5, but I don't know if this is USA size because these shoes look really big, like a 9 or 10. When I seen this, I thought it was just so freaking cute. And I thought it would match an outfit that I picked out for myself, so it'll match perfectly with the outfit. The last accessory I got is this pretty orange purse. This bag is so freaking pretty. Look at it. It's so vibrant. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I love this purse already. Like, it's just so cute, and I love the color. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna start off with is this swimsuits. I think this is so freaking pretty. It comes with this hair wrap, but I don't really like it, so I'm gonna take it off. It also comes with this little skirt thing. This is how it looks with the skirt, and I think it is so freaking cute. It keeps falling off right here at the top. I don't know how to fix that because it keeps falling off, and the padding keep like sliding down inside. But overall, I give this a 10 out of 10. I think this is so cute. It's so pretty. It's so vibrant. This is really cute. I love it. This is the second thing I got, and I think this is so cute, but it doesn't fit. It's very, very tight on me. And I'm going to have to send it back and get a different size. But I'm believing that this is a medium, and your girl got, you know, a little fat. So I'm gonna have to send it back and get a bigger size, but I definitely do want this again after I send it back. If this is a 10 out of 10 too, it's just not my size. This is the third thing I got. I'm not sure how to put this top on here. I think I did it wrong. I think I did it wrong, but I don't know how to put this top on here. I think this swimsuit is cute too. I'll give it a 10 out of 10 as well because it's cute, but I don't know how to put it on correctly, so I'm gonna have to like look at a video or look at a picture to try to get the picture of how to actually put it on the correct way. Also, it comes with a skirt just like the first one, and this is how it looks on with the skirt. But I really do have to figure out how to put the top on because I don't think it's all right. So the next thing I got is this blue swimsuit. It's the same exact as the pink one I just had on. And as I just told you guys, I do not know how to put this on right. So, but I think this is cute too. Get it 10 out of 10 too because it's cute. And it also comes with a skirt, just like the pink one. Let me see. So freaking cute. But this is the last swim I have. Everything I got was in all of my swim was a large except for the orange one. It was in a medium. I have to send it back and get another one the right size. And baby, you don't think that I just bought all this swim stuff just to do a clothing haul. I'm outside this summer and I'm not playing. I'm not playing. I will be outside this summer. I'm coming outside. Period. Okay, so y'all, I bought this orange set because I thought it was so freaking cute, which I still do think that it's cute, but this is way too small. It won't even go on my chest. Like, I can't even put this top on. It's too small. And the skirt is also too small that the string popped out of here and I don't know how to put it back in there. So this will be getting sent back for another size because I do want this. It's cute. But this is a no because it's too small. The next item I have, I think this dress is so cute. I think it's cute, but I feel like if I bend over, all of my booty gonna be out. So I need to get this in a bigger size. I got this in a medium. I also got it to go with one of these black slides that I bought. So I'm gonna try both of them on and see which one fits. And I got it to go with this dress, so I will pair it together so you guys can see it. These are very, very flimsy. I think these are so cute, but they very, very flimsy, like marshmallow like. Definitely cannot fit them. These ones I can fit and they're so comfortable. I would recommend all of you guys to go buy these shoes right now for the summertime because these are so comfortable. So the next item is this cute Bodycon dress. It is so cute to me. It's just a simple little dress that'll be really cute to wear like on a summer day. Go to the park, go to the lake, go to something like that. Something to just throw on real quick. I think it's really cute and it suits my body well, even though I have a gut. I think this is simple and cute, so I'll give this a 10 out of 10. Item is this cute blue dress. Is it called halter type? I don't know what it's called, but it's like this in the neck. I just thought this dress was so freaking cute. Excuse my gut once again. I bought these clear slides to wear with this dress, so I'm going to see if I can fit them real quick. But they really flimsy, like jelly-like. Oh my god, they fit! So yeah, on the side here, I'm showing you guys that the dress looks really cute with the clear slides, and I'm so happy that I can fit the clear slides because I thought they was going to be too big, but they actually fit in there. I think it's really cute together. So the next item are these black leggings, infamous black see-through leggings that everyone has been wearing since the start of 2022. I think these are so pretty. They did not come with the underwear. I had to have my own, and I just paired it with this top that I had in my closet. This top does not go with this. Leggings, I'll give it 10 out of 10 because of the material. It's very stretchy. Also, the black shoes that I'm wearing with this outfit is from Ego Shoes. Another bag that I got was this tan tote bag, and this is big enough for an overnight bag. And this is how it looks. It has the coat material as well. I really like this bag. I think it is so freaking cute. So this is the next item. I thought this dress was so cute. Very cute to wear for the springtime. I think it's like a very classy, elegant looking. I'll give it 8 out of 10. I think it's cute. The next item is just this full body bodysuit. I think this is very cute with a v-neck cut out. I really want to get a tattoo right here in between my boobs, so stay tuned for that. I will be coming to you guys with a video getting tattoos and new piercings very soon, so stay tuned for that. This bodysuit is a 10 out of 10 for me because I like the material. It's very stretchy. It's not hard to put on. And on the side, I'm just going to show you guys that I did pair it with my black slides that I got from Shein. I think this is so cute, especially paired with my black slides that I got from Shein. And I'm telling you guys that these shoes are so comfortable. Like when I say they're comfortable, they're really comfortable. Next item is this t-shirt, and this shirt is very cute. I love the way that the picture feels on the shirt. It doesn't feel like it's been ironed on or anything like that. It feels like really legit, like it will not rub when you put it in the dryer. This is what it says. It's so cute. I love the material of the shirt. The material of the shirt is very stretchy. This does give me the oversized look that I was looking for because I did get this in a large. So I would definitely give this shirt a 10 out of 10. Okay, last but not least, this is the last t-shirt that I have. This shirt is so cute to me. I think this shirt is very cute. I feel like I got on my boyfriend's shirt or something. It's big and oversized, and I just think it is so cute. I could definitely pair this in a lot of different ways. I could tie it up. I could do a lot of things with this shirt, especially since it's oversized. If you guys are real day one subbies, then you guys know I had this same exact jacket in my other Shein haul, but it was too small in that haul, so I bought another one. But looks like I'm chalked yet again, and I'm sure I bought this coat in a large and it still doesn't fit. And in my last Shein haul, I bought this coat in a medium and it did not fit. So why doesn't it fit as a large? That doesn't make any sense to me. But it does not fit Not at all. Not at all. It looks very tight. I can barely move my arms. So I will have to send the jacket back again. But I really like this jacket. But it seems like every time I go to purchase it, I can't never fit it. Like, I don't understand. But that concludes the end of this video, you guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Comment down below, let me know if you like any of the items that I bought. Did you like the way I paired my outfits together and all of that? Oh, one more thing I forgot to run by you guys before I go. I forgot to let you guys know if I can fit these shoes or not, and I definitely cannot fit these shoes whatsoever. And they do look like big old boat shoes on me because they look so freaking big. So I will be returning these as well. Those shoes are enough for me. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, comment down below. Let me know if you like the items that I got. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.